Discover the Real Relax Massage Chair, where every session transcends expectation. Experience comfort and rejuvenation like never before. Many say, "I didn't know a massage could feel this good." Our advanced 3D mechanical massage hands truly mimic professional techniques. With 7 distinct massage techniques, including kneading, Shiatsu, and tapping, every muscle tension is expertly addressed for deep relaxation. Experience the soothing warmth of our integrated heat therapy, targeting your calves and lumbar area for enhanced comfort and muscle relief. Next, immerse yourself in zero gravity, full body, total bliss. The Real Relax Chair elevates your legs above your heart, reducing spinal pressure. This NASA-inspired zero-gravity position evenly distributes your body weight, creating a profound sense of weightlessness and deeper muscle relaxation. Our 50-inch SL guide rail ensures a comprehensive massage from your neck to your hips, perfectly conforming to your body's natural curve. The full-body airbag system provides compression therapy to your shoulders, arms, hips, legs, and feet, improving circulation and relieving tension. Finally, experience the smartest massage chair I've ever tried. Our chairs incorporate cutting-edge technology for a personalized experience. With AI voice control, you can effortlessly manage your massage settings, making customization intuitive and seamless. The Real Relax Chair is designed for convenience. It arrives fully assembled in one box, with moving tools included for easy placement. Even if you live alone, moving your chair is simple with its built-in wheels, allowing for easy repositioning by just one person. Elevate your wellness journey. Scan code or click link in description today to find the perfect massage chair for your home and transform your daily relaxation.
Pressure on my neck, rush of blood to the head.